Just look at that color. I'm going to share with you the most delicious Ābgoosht recipe with all the tips. I've written all the necessary ingredients in the caption. Please make sure to read it. Pour some oil into your chosen pot, add the diced onions and saute until golden. Add the garlic and saute just enough for its aroma to be released. 1 to 2 minutes is enough. Add the Ābgoosht meat. Saute just enough to get rid of the rawness of the meat. Black pepper, red pepper. Add turmeric and saute. Add 3 tablespoons of tomato paste and saute until it releases its color and loses its raw taste. Be careful not to let it burn. Add the soaked chickpeas and also the soaked beans, then pour in water. Stir a bit so all the ingredients combine. First, turn the heat up high. Once it comes to a boil, lower the heat. Put the lid on the pot and let it cook. After an hour and a half, pierce the dried lime with a fork and add it in. Add 1 peeled tomato and 3 peeled potatoes as well. Sprinkle in a bit of cinnamon. Put the lid back on the pot. Let it cook for another hour and a half. Add salt as needed. Let it cook for another 15 minutes, then turn off the heat. At the end of cooking, remove the dried lime from the pot. Take out the cooked tomato along with 1 potato and the herbal sachet from the pot. Mash them with a meat masher. Mash them completely. Then add them back to your Ābgoosht and mix well. And here is the final result. Enjoy your meal. If you liked it, I'd appreciate it if you like my video. Leave your comments and follow me. Thank you.